Hello. Happy
Hello.
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Pablo. We wish you all the happiness, good health. You know, birthday comes every year, but a friend like you comes once in a lifetime. So we treasure the friendship we have with you and Gemma. So wish lang namin is yung health mo, and we're not getting any younger, so hinay-hinay lang sa trabaho. But we are here through thick and thin. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Brother Pablo. Hope you have a great day. Wishing you biggest slice of happy today and cheers to another year of laughter and memories.
Yes.
Happy birthday, and
God bless you.
God bless you and good health and more blessing to come. Happy birthday, bro Pablo.
Cheers!
Cheers!
Woo! Happy birthday, Kuya. Wishing you an amazing day filled with happiness, laughter, and everything you enjoy. Hope this year brings you great memories and exciting opportunities.
Hi Kuya, you are not getting older. Just more, just youngest. Happy birthday.
Good health always, Kuya.
Happy birthday, Tito Babs! Bigyan mo na ako ng mana. Enjoy your day! Bye!
Hi Tito Pabs! Happy birthday! Sana maging maligaya ka, malusog, masigla sa araw na ito. Enjoy your day po and have a blast. And salamat sa pag-welcome sa amin sa Eastless. We love you Tito Pabs! Happy birthday again!
Hello po Tito Pablo, happy birthday, wishing you a good health and more blessings to come. Thank you po sa lahat, and sana po bigyan po kayo ng maraming birthday po na darating pa. Enjoy your special day together with your family, and God bless you always po.
Happy birthday, Lolo! Say happy birthday to Lolo. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Birthday, Lolo.
Happy birthday, Lolo. Dali.
I said it.
Okay, say. We love you, Lolo.
We love you, Lolo.
Okay, we just wanted to say thank you, Lolo, for everything that you've done for our family and for being the incredible man that you are. And we hope that this year will bring all the joy and happiness
In the whole world.
you deserve. We love you, Lolo.
Love you, Lolo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Okay, go.
Enjoy your day.
No.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Bye-bye.
Pa, may sabihin ako sa'yo. Nakalimutan kong sabihin sa'yo na isang araw. Ito na. Pagtatapat ko na.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi, Pabs! Happy birthday! I wish you all the best. Siyempre, lalo na yung sa health natin, sa health mo. And God is good. I know everything's okay with you na. And, ang prayer namin is lagi kang malakas at bigyan pa tayo ng Lord ng mahabang buhay. Mahal na mahal ka namin at siyempre, proud kami na we're here. Proud ako dahil andito tayo. We're standing still and held each other's and love each other. My love, I love you so much. And happy birthday.
Happy birthday.